Thank you so much for being here. My name is Loren, and this is a 10-minute non-sleep deep rest, or NSDR practice, using Yoga Nidra techniques. Settle into a comfortable lying down position for your body. Pay special attention to your head and shoulders, the hips and knees, maybe even considering covering with a blanket. As you settle in, begin to notice the weight of your body. And see if you can make your body just 10% heavier. As you welcome in this heaviness, feel that with each out-breath, your body becomes more supple. Each exhale, the tension dissipating from the body. Settling in and welcoming ease. Soften the lines of your face. Let go of the tension in your tongue and jaw. Delicately move all of your awareness to the top of your head, sensing and perceiving what it is you experience at the top of your head. And move your awareness to the center of your forehead. Move that awareness from the center of your forehead to the tip of the nose, tip of the chin, center of the throat, center of the chest, both shoulders, both elbows, both wrists, palms of the hands, backs of the hands. Sense into all 10 fingers at once. Flow your experience to both sides of the waist and torso, both hips, both knees, both ankles, tops of the feet, bottoms of the feet, all 10 toes at once. Feel and experience the entire right side of your body and the left side of your brain. Sensing and perceiving the right side of your body and the left side of your brain. And then allow your awareness to switch sides. allowing all of your attention to flow to the left side of the body and the right side of the brain. Experiencing the whole left side of your body and the right side of your brain. And welcome in the experience of your whole body. The whole body at once. All of your experience delicately placed on sensing into the whole body. Softly guide your experience to behind the forehead and rest here in your internal experience. Welcome in a slow, deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, let it go out the mouth slowly and just as deeply. Welcoming it back in again, repeating inhale slowly, savoring the air moving in through the nose. Slowly exhaling back out, noticing the kiss of air as it exits the body. Begin to notice your body and the senses beginning to move outward as you sense into the room that surrounds you. Noticing sounds that are happening outside of your meditation. Gradually bringing in slow movement to the body, taking your time, just like you would if you have awoken from a deep sleep. Continuing to take your time to move away from this practice. Noticing how still the body has become in a short amount of time. How calm the body feels. How soft the mind and quiet the thoughts are. Your practice of NSDR is now complete.